Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Google Play Store balance to your bank account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you need to click on help and feedback. Okay, and once you are on that page, okay, help and feedback, you simply need to scroll. So you can see that I already select the option of contact us. So here you need to mention the reason. I want to transfer my fund. I want to transfer my fund from Google Play Store to my bank account. Okay, once you've done that, you simply need to click on next, and here you can about play balance, or you can select others. About play balance. Okay, click on next step. So here you can see that you can see the button under the Google Play balance. Click on cash out, thereafter the amount you want to transfer. So how to transfer my play balance to bank account, so you can see that. But if you are unable to do, you simply need to click on next step and email to the YouTube, or you can say Google team, and here you need to enter the transaction ID, select the others and click on send to the and click on submit. Once you done that, then the Google team will review it and help you recover your balance into your bank account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.